Another day and another retailer is out with the new information. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that Samsung Unpacked event is around the corner and the retailers are setting up the environment for both the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. Samsung is going to unveil both the foldable devices on August 10 alongside with Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds Pro. But if you want to get your hands on the Z Fold 4 ahead of its launch in the market, then you can reserve your Galaxy devices now from Samsung official website and get a free $100 credit, or you can even get $200 credit if you buy all three devices. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to subscribe and drop a like on that video and subscribe to the channel if you like it. And also tell us in the comment section below what do you think about the special edition case for the S Pen slot. Now talking about the cases, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases are out, where a German retailer is preparing for the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 cover and cases. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 additional protective film will also be available, but only for the outer display, as Samsung pre-applied the film on the inner display. The protective phone for the Z Fold 4 outer display will cost you around 19 euros. You can also get a slim standing case for Galaxy Z Fold 4, but if you take a closer look at it, it does not include an S Pen slot, which means you need to get a special case for the S Pen, and this case will cost you around 43 euros. So guys, do keep in note that these are the prices for a third-party retailer, and chances are there that the case will be less expensive if you get directly from Samsung official website. And the popular leakster Even Blast shared a real renders of all three colors of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which includes a beigey, phantom black and a grey green. If you look at these images very closely, you will notice that Samsung has changed the aspect ratio of the Z Fold 4, where we have an inner and outer display ratios are 23:9 and 12:9 instead of 24:5 or 9:11.5 ratio. And that's all happened due to this new hinge design that Samsung is going to be bringing in its new foldable devices. This new hinge design will also help to reduce the crease, and it will be less visible on Z Fold 4. Well, the upcoming Samsung Unpacked event will going to be a hybrid, meaning online and offline. And according to Samsung, it take the best of the online and offline event and make them even better. If you want to get the S22 or Galaxy Z Fold 3, then Samsung is giving you a big discount on these devices. Or if you own one of these devices, you can also trade off for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.